subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello and welcome back everyone to the mathematics class. Now today we will see division algorithm in polynomials. In first chapter in real numbers also we have seen division algorithm that was in the form of Euclid's lemma. So here we'll see how it is formed. So division algorithm is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So how we are writing in the form of polynomial? So dividend means p of x is divided by the divisor g of x, and that time we are getting the quotient q of x plus remainder is r of x. So this is the division algorithm, and now we'll see how we are utilizing division algorithm in solving few sums. So here I have taken p of x, will divide it by g of x, and also we will verify the division algorithm. So let us start how we are dividing polynomials. Divisor, this is the dividend. So we will start from x square to get x cube. So x square should be multiplied by x. So we are getting x cube. Rest of the terms of divisor should also be multiplied by the same. So here minus 2 into x. So we will get minus 2x. Always we are writing the terms below their like terms. So here x we have. So this one would be below that, minus 2x. Now we are taking subtraction always. Changing sign. We will get this term here. Simplify this, plus 5x plus 2x. So here it is 7x. 5 plus 2, 7. Taking last term down. Again we'll move to x square in order to get minus 3x square. So we'll multiply it by minus 3. So minus 3 into this is, further multiply minus 3 and minus 2, that is plus 6. So would come here. Changing the sign to get subtraction. Cancel. This one as it is will come down. Minus 3 minus 6. That would be addition, minus 9. Now as divisor is with a degree 2 and here we got the linear, so we cannot divide further. So this is the r of x remainder, and we got q of x, x minus 3. Now how we will verify it? Let us see. As according to division algorithm, p of x is equal to p of x. LHS is our question. So when we are solving RHS, what we will do? G of x, that is x square minus 2 into q of x, that is x minus 3. R of x, that is 7x minus 9. So we should check out whether simplifying RHS, are we getting p of x back? Then it will be verified. So let us see. This multiplication, x cube, this is minus 3x square minus 2x minus plus 6. This is 7x minus 9. Now we'll simplify. So no other term with cube. So this one would be as it is. Square also we do not have. So 3x square minus 2x plus 7x. So that is 5x. plus 6 minus 9. So we get minus 3. Now let us see whether this is the same as we have in the question. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So here in this way this is equal to LHS, and this way we verified division algorithm by taking one sum. Now one more sum we will take regarding this. So here one sum I have taken where we have given p of x which is divided by g of x, whereas qx quotient is given and remainder is given. We have to find the divisor. That means we have to get g of x. So let us see. First, by taking the division algorithm, we will just put the values whatever we have given. So here p of x that is given is equal to g of x we have to find, let it be as it is, into q of x is given x minus 2 and r of x plus r of x is given minus 2x plus 4. So as we have to find g of x should be at one of the side, rest of all the things will take another side. So first this Rx should be taken on another side. So S plus, it will be minus here, and this one will go for division. Now simplify the numerator. So that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, this is plus 2x, and minus 4 will divided by x minus 2. So here we got finally g of x is equal to, this is x cube now minus 3x square x plus 2x. So we got 3x there, 2 minus 4, so minus 2, and will be divided by x minus 2. That means whenever this polynomial you will divide by x minus 2, you will get the answer g of x. So you will get divisor here. So that you can do. Next time further we will see few more important sum from the same chapters.